Mission Superintendent, Dr. Roy Angelo Igaso, and to our District Supervisor, Dr. Maritze E. Ramos, our SPTA President, Mr. Rene Nawas, to our Alumni President, Mr. Jeffrey Aiza, sir, and to our Alumni Vice President, Attorney Vanidor, Rene. Then, to the representative of our Barangay Captain Ligtas, represented by Mr. Juju Dilada, sir, good morning. To the faculty and staff of Consolacion Elementary School, and to the candidates for graduation, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. The graduation ceremony of Consolacion Elementary School is hereby declared in session.
Kanina lang, plano ko eh. Dagan mo kasi, ayun na lang. Ako lang yung susunod ako. Bahala, wala mo yung mga
Thank you very much, sir. At this time, to convey his welcome address, let's give warm applause to Don Jasper Suma with high honors.
Our school principal, Mr. Ricardo Rodriguez, sir. Public School District Supervisor, Dr. Rafael A. Ramos. Guest speaker, Attorney Royal B. Hagipar. Honorable Barangay Captain Alexander Lucas. Alumni President, Mr. Jeffrey Alsa. SPTA President,
Nangaon naman nasa likod doon. Nangaon lang mga nasa likod.
Teachers and staff, our dear parents, fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all of us. It is with utmost joy and pride that I welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of Consolacion Elementary School for the academic year 2022.
Nga na yun siyang istorya ba?
Graduation is not an end.
Wala yung bundak ba? Murag pa, tuloy-tuloy.
Life is about
Oo. Kanina pa lang pag-abot niya.
Memorization.
Asa mong speech doon.
Kaya
the
gisulat.
6 years of taking up learning.
Gichik din siya ni ma'am na yun.
Coming to school, the beloved teachers, summative tests, religious exams, celebrations, and friendships.
So si ma'am,
All this will come to pass, but the memories will
wala na yun si ma'am kuan.
Today marks the culmination of several years
Ha?
of effort, studying hard, and learning hard. Yes, it is not forgot that even as we find ourselves in times of suffering, we did enjoy the many times
very
of
eager to
learning
join.
in this school. It has been and will always be a part of our growing up years. Thank you.
Ah, wala dyan, magtumpang ka, hoy. Dagan.
Given us and
Wala
all
siya
the
siya natumpang.
blessings.
Wala siya sa
Thank you, dear parents, for working hard to give us good education. We are happy that you are with us today. And most of all, thank you, God, for all of your blessings.
Wala yun siya bundak na istorya. Wala yun na siya.
It's a journey, and this accomplishment
Siguro ako wala yung ban
is
ba?
taking us starting points for further achievement. We are happy for this another milestone in our life. Classmates, fellow graduates, I wish you all good luck for the coming years.
Ah, diyan ang kwan nila yung
May
speaker.
God, His
Ito,
wisdom, bless
ito, ito.
Ay, lang.
Kalang mo laki na bangon niya po.
once again, welcome to the beginning.
Nasto nga.
Thank you, Dan Jasper, for your
Dapat nagbawa siya,
words of welcome. It's a great start to this occasion.
Kasi mag-speech ito ka mo.
The grade 6 candidates for graduation that we call in once
Wala pa
again.
ibutang ang listahan.
The Consolacion Elementary School Principal,
Gani, ha?
Mr. Edgardo
Padung-dung na ito kuan.
Mendes.
Ma'am nga. Palo-upan niya mo kuan. Kaya basta di mo ma-apply sa graduating list.
Sa clearance na yan, no? Panahon.
Di, ang grado no. Kaya pang-upload sa gupay clearance no.
To be confirmed by our authorized representative, Dr. Maripe A.
Ay, bakit di ay.
Ramos.
Ay, tinala doktor. Wala na, doktoral na din. Ano ganina na sila.
To our district supervisor of North 1, Dr. Marife Ramos, may I have the honor to present to you the 160 candidates for graduation.
Uy, sige,
Of
hilingi
whom
nga gaman.
85 are boys and 75 are girls.
Nice one. Nga
Who
na,
have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the
Nasa
Technical
22.
Basic Education
Oh, 21.
of the Department of Education. And they are now awaiting for your confirmation.
Ano yung year na graduates day.
By the power vested in me by the Department of Education, as the authorized representative of our school's division Superintendent Roy Angelo Gazo, as a public school supervisor, and as recommended by your principal, Mr. Eduardo Yanez, that the 100 candidates for graduation
100
of
na sila.
Conversion Elementary School have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 curriculum under the Basic Education Program. Candidates, I now confirm you as graduates for school year 2022-2023 of Consolacion Elementary School. Congratulations!
Oo, nakabuhan na asa pa doon ang pan.
Ang yawin ka mo. Ay,
Nakabuhan na asa pa na.
Saya.
Ha? Ayun.
The word graduates of class 2023, graduates.
Sa siyo.
The moment you have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. The reward of your discipline and dedication is about to be reaped.
Grabe, nakabasket man ang mga
I will
diploma.
inviting the designated confirmed representative, Dr. Marife Ramos, together with our school principal, Eduardo O. Yanez, our SPTA president, Mr. Rene Alawas, and our honorable barangay captain or his representative, Mr. Honorable Jojo Pilada, alumni president Jeffrey Aisa, and our honored guest, Attorney Ruel Langidor, in awarding the diplomas to our candidates for graduation. Without much further ado, let's start with the Grade 6 Mercury under the advisory of Mrs. Almira and Ilordo.
May karangalan.
The senior ran and repeat. My Karangalan.
May karangalan.
Fernandez Natalie Bale My Karangalan.
Ay, karang. Ay, napili.
Saan na na?
Lauren Stephanie J. O. My Karangalan.
Kasi mo.
Monigo Michael Greta. We My Karangalan. Dr. John Lawrence Pilar Ian Torresti, Sanchez Pel B. Jr., Lasho John Mark A., Bilipena Shadow A., Diana Zia John N., Diboni Jonathan G. Jr., Hino Mark Lawrence A., Ochi Dominic G., Victoria Jennifer Steve, Texon Jensley O., Oakam Cat Harold P., Alberta Casey A., Barbero Jennifer S., Daiday Cynthia Cat, Escamado Charity,
Gani.
Davids Action Burial Hall, Gariana Apple Jane D., Mayan Chelsea Sheikh Johnny Leon L., Manwales Kyle, Ravon Dimple M., and Padawan Yurika Shea M. Now let's have the grade 6 demos under the advisory of Mrs. Edwina R. Obshaw.
Tuloy-tuloy ah.
Ano ulit yung puno ang cellphone?
Good morning, everyone. These are the Empower Dreamers. Grade 6 winners. Talent Pen S. Mike Karananan. Conduct our team. Gonzales Corn Bernard R. Mike Karananan. Leadership our team and conduct our team.
Wow.
Gabsan Beauty Wine. Mike Karananan. Conduct our team and best team our
Saan biya ng Jupiter yan? Hindi daw si Ma'am Jessa ang mabasa silang ano. Tapos ahadi ang bagong maestra na aman daw.
Buong kabantay ko. Wow.
Lumaluman Burning S. Calvin Christian. Lucaplo Myers Andre.
Matagap po.
Lula Brent
Pwede na
Palmares.
tagap.
Ali Mark James G. Campos Wayne John B.
Number 2, 100.
Gani. Gani ito ang bandong mag... Naya, tala na.
Lucas Raven John A. Kandang
Wait lang mga
Howard.
kuhan.
Spaghetti Gian Janice A. Haili Everton D. Medyo
Ay, no.
Kandang Howard.
Or nag-graduate na mga
Nino Jasmine Aliado.
work in ang tinaya mga saan sila kayo.
Wala dito.
Gani ko unang-unang kung uy, di pa na mga.
Naka-control sa ito.
Maria Atecia.
Gani. Lain na lang sila pilahan.
Z.
Normal na.
Familias Adina Janelle G.
Kumanday na ako itong race ko.
Ramos Isabel G.
Grabe, git sila karuha. Manang
Parang
social
yan.
media.
Parang may
Rodriguez Vera Marie. Kandang
Ano pa
Howard.
po na nga dapat isip.
Rosilio Ateneo. Sa puso, Joanna Marie F. Kandang Howard. Let's move on to racing start under Miss Marita Livea Hill. Magpaso Bruce Matthew S. May nataas sa kalanganan. Livea Nexel Josie. May kalanganan. Marioli Justin. May kalanganan. Isawegan Bea Morales. May kalanganan. Zagado John Carlo L. May kalanganan. Asenas Ken Andrew B. Agonia Jared Myler B. Bangale Dwight Andrew S. William Christian. Dotaro Charles Cedric.
Kita ra ang present.
Fuentes Jesse S. Loretti Kevin B. Lectas Joko L.
Ana kay si Ma'am Umsyo mo. Uy,
Kate Larson
naalay ka. Lagi mo.
Reunion Carlisle Santiago B. Rolo Mark B.
Lalalala.
Robles Ken Ian O. Salitunan John Walter G. Abulada Joel.
Yung advisor yun.
Alexander Stanley A. Amber Michelle G. Belmonte Joel A. Debbie Princess Jane. Dakara Gwen Zaini G. Edwin Shira C. Excelice Ariane Shea B. Gales Ashley G. Manlosa Saria Mary C. Montessor Jeliza B. Nano Princess May Estrella B.
Asya ka nun din.
Agapula Crisel. Kelly.
Ah, okay.
And Zavalera Maslea Nicole Bill. Now let us have the grade 6 Jupiter under the advisory of Ma'am Josephine Bisaya Vice Ma'am Rhea Bosini.
Ah, nalagi yung.
Morpheus Christian Mark J. Escadron Leonard S. Maputo Ponche A. Moronio I. Christian P. Obradas John Christian G. Only Nathan D. Paparana Alvarez G.
Ala, graduate na sila. Graduate na daw si Uwabi na lang. Ha? Ako na niya.
One
mga personigang
At this point,
Bilara po dyan, oh. Klaro man.
Iran bilang
Sir Dr. Marifer A. Ramos, our public school district supervisor, for the reading of the message of the Vice President and Department of Education, Secretary Sarah Z. Duterte. Let's give her a warm applause, please. My warmest greetings to all our graduates of Confederation Elementary School 2022-2023 and to our honored guests at the table. I am so honored this morning to read the message of no other than the Secretary of the Department of Education, our Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Sarah Z. Duterte. Assalamualaikum.
Malaikum
My
salam.
warmest greetings to the class of 2023 for the successful culmination of your academic endeavors. These milestones attest to the hard work and perseverance you have exemplified as you embark on another journey leading you to the realization of your aspirations of a better life and a better future. I join your families and academic communities in celebrating this achievement. This year's graduates have done a great job of channeling their passions into endeavors that will enrich their pursuits and advance their respective vocations and professions. May the knowledge and skills you have gained serve as your springboard for a greater success and inspire you to become catalyst of transformative social growth within your respective communities. I hope you will realize the depth of your potential and the power that you now possess as young,
Okay, Sarah.
educated
Kay Sarah,
Filipinos,
meron ka lang mga nasuto nga.
and use this not only to achieve your dreams and change your lives for the better, but also to help our Filipinos and our country. As future leaders and builders of our nation, may you become persistent, determined, and committed to the fight for peace, security, and stability. The ending of poverty,
Ay,
the
ilay ka lang ba
campaign to give Filipino children access to better education,
Karon.
the protection of the environment,
Gilain-lain yung umakuha nila. Rin sa kwan.
and nutrition, and many other challenges that we are facing today.
Umadaw yun sila.
To the parents and academic community, let this milestone remind us of the indispensable role of education in charting the course of our youth's future and in harnessing their potential to become understanding individuals. Consistent with our vision in the Matapat Agenda, we will continue to promote programs and uphold reforms that will nurture resilience mindsets so that we can hone young Filipinos who have the capacity and resiliency to thrive in challenging circumstances. The grit and resilience of the Filipino learners amid the difficulties of everyday life will continue to inspire us and empower us in building an education system that responds to the changes of our time. Through an inclusive education that is urged by a positive learning environment, I am optimistic that we can continue to produce competent young citizens like you who will be helping steer our nation's path to sustainable development. Together with our academic partners in all education levels, let us remain committed to promote our youth's strong sense of nationalism so they can be part of a productive and responsible citizenry that will help chart the path of our nation's growth. Again, congratulations to the class of 2023. May you continue to pursue your ambitions with zeal, persistence, and excellence, and use it to create a better future for all. Sama-sama tayong magpumikap, abutin ang ating layunin. Bansang makabata, bansang makabansa. Lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran. Zara Duterte, Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. On a personal note, as your public schools district supervisor of North 1 District,
Mertuan eh, di, no?
the whole education community of Consolacion Elementary School is looking forward of seeing you 4 years from now to complete the 10 years as required in the basic education curriculum and continue with the senior high for another 2 years. And see you graduates of a bachelor's degree or see you success in the different endeavors that you are looking forward.
Endeavor.
You may not all graduate as in the bachelor's degree, but the whole learning community is looking forward that you will have a better and the best life in the future. To the parents, thank you for leading our graduates. Thank you for taking care of our students, our children. And to the teachers of Consolacion Elementary School, thank you for nurturing our students, our graduates from kinder to grade 6. To all of you, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Marifina Ramos. At this moment, the awarding of academic honors and special awards will now take place. Every battle won deserves recognition, recognizing the learners who gave pride and honor to Consolacion Elementary School. Once again, we request our special dignitaries to present the awards. Sir and Ma'am, these learners are deserving of the award for academic excellence or with honors and have attained an average of at least 90 to 94% in alphabetical order. Our first batch, Alina to be accompanied by their parents. Caballero Renzo 9C. Kali Ren. Candale Felix Abner A.
Ano yung mama?
Dasil Francisco Mary Claire R. Gonzalez Carl Bernard R. He also got the Leadership Award. Marione Jasmine. And the son Billy Mighty with the award Best in Arts.
Yes, no.
Let's move on to the second batch of Green Honors. Allowance Stephanie Jane Cole. Let's make
Palikan. Tama. Asa 22.
Manuban Arian Nella O.
Yung nakabalik ko.
Manga Janet. Moranta Louisa Ryan G. Monaco Michael Layton B. Napa John Lawrence B.
Mani.
Narciso Luis Joshua H.
Wala ka naman ako. Hindi mo padungit.
Salcedo Mike Pinzer B. Tolentino Sean Johan G. Urbana Princess K. U.
Mga baseball player.
And Zagado Giancarlo L. Congratulations to all our big honors for my lifetime. Westchester Elementary School Awards also Miss Academic Excellence with high honors in those who attain an average of 91 to 97% in alphabetical order. Council Bruce Matthew S.
Gani.
Batuano Camille Nan.
Nakababae na oh.
Jobson Ray Ryan T. Best in Filipino and Artist of the Year.
Wow. Filipino, okay lang. Pero artist,
Salam Rosemary B. Best in Magaling Panlipunan.
sakali sa mga
Suka Ang Jasper. Best in Science and Best in Mathematics.
olas. Mana ang bigyan sila nga sa places ko. Bigyan ko yung ano.
Tagalog Peter Jonas P.
Bagan.
Best in English.
Muna daw na. Guys lang, ikaw person. Yun na, sa yan.
To our mid high honors, congratulations!
Oo.
This special recognition is given to our athletes who have shown an outstanding skills in both baseball and athletics in participating and bringing victory to our school.
Mga player.
Known for their discipline and training and sportsman-like character. To begin, may I call you with our softball players, Naka Jamaica Queen and Noble Baby Rose P. Rosilio Abigail E. And Ricardo Christine P. For our baseball athletes, Aga Will H.G. Aga Marjon C. Dalla Peña Shiloh. Nick Cass, Jumbo L. Pagkakulaman, Rocho H.
mga panaming pagdangal, Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Marfere Ramos, Ma'am, sa aming punong guro, Edgardo Ollanes, Sir, para sa panahon tagapagsalita, Atty. Ruel B. Vallador, SPTA President Rene L. Lawas, Sir, Barangay Captain Alexander Ligtas, Sir, mga barangay officials, mga magulang, kapwa mag-aaral, mga mahal naming guro, mga bisita, isang mapagpalang umaga sa lahat. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat at ako ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon upang magsalita sa harap po ninyong lahat. Hindi po lingid sa ating kaalaman ang hirap na dinaraanan natin sa nakalipas na taon dulot ng pandemya. At ang lubos na naapektuhan ay ang mga mag-aaral tulad namin. Subalit sa awa ng Panginoon at sa tulong ng ating mga magulang at mga guro, nalagpasan natin ang mga pagsubok na ito. Narito tayong lahat ngayon upang ipagdiwang ang pinakahihintay at pinakaasam-asam nating mga pangarap. Ito ay katuparan ng ating masiging pangarap na matapos ng pag-aaral sa elementarya. Ang mga hirap na ating naranasan sa mahigit 7 taon sa piling ng ating mga kaibigan, kaklase, at mga guro. Ito ang araw na pinakahihintay at pinakaasam-asam nating lahat, ang magawa ng kaukulang pagkilala. Ang tagumpay ay hindi lang para sa mga natatanging mag-aaral, hindi lamang para sa akin ang karangalan na makapagtapos, kundi para din sa inyong lahat. Nais kong pasalamatan ang Konsolasyon Elementary School na naging ikalawang tahanan ng atin. Naririto tayo upang hubutin ang ating mga dakilang guro, ang ating pag-iisip, ang ating puso, at pananampalataya. Upang sa darating na panahon, tayo ay maging kapakipakinabang ng mamamayan ng ating bansa. Sa pamamagitan ng tamang paggabay, ay matagumpay natin maisakatuparan ang nais na igawad sa atin ng ating mga guro. Kaya, walang katapusang pasasalamat sa aming guro sa kanilang kaalaman, inspirasyon, at pagmamahal ng walang katulad. Nahagi nila sa atin ang walang kapalit. Ang araw na ito ay ang katuparan ng pagtupad natin sa mga pangarap ng ating mga magulang. Pangarap na mabigyan ng tamang edukasyon ang bawat isa sa atin. Mapalad tayo at iginawad nila sa atin ang karapatang makapag-aral. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa walang sawang suporta, pag-aaruga, pagtsatsaga, at pagmamahal ng walang katulad. At sa ating pag-isag, huwag natin kalimutan ang lahat ng ating natutunan. Isa na namang pinto ang pagbukas para sa ating naharap. Ngunit hindi ibig sabihin na dapat natin pagaliin ang lahat. Patuloy tayong mag-aral, magunlad, at mangarap. Ang importante ay matuto tayong magsumikap at magtyaga upang makamit natin ang inaasam-asam na mga pangarap. Sa ngalan ng nagtapos sa batch 2022-2023, muli, taos-puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat at maligayang bakit class of 2023.
Valedictorian? Siya siguro. Kasi may pinakakuan dyan, dagano ko ano. Borlolo siya
Thank
doon.
you, Rosemary, for that wonderful message. Moving on, to introduce us to the honored guest speaker for this pleasant morning, I will give the podium to our school principal, Mr. Edgardo O. Yanez.
Edgardo, oh yan. Palakpak ko eh. Ano lagi?
To our confirming officer, Dr. Marfere Ramos, to our guests at the hip table, Dr. Vallador, Sir Isaac, Mr. Dilada, and Sir Lawas. Teachers, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning once again.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Over the years, the school invites guest speaker, reflected to be a living inspiration to the young ones, and that's you, and to everybody. We are lucky enough to have him this morning, despite of the distance and his work. He is a native Cagayanon,
Wala din.
the son of Mr. and Mrs. Bernardita B. Validor,
Wala
a
diyang speaker,
retired grade 2 teacher in this school.
Ay, naalala ka ka lang.
Rolando P. Validor, a retired Cuba Validor. He is married to Marites Validor, a division manager of Philippine Center Corporation, and they are blessed with 2 sons. He finished his elementary education here in Consolacion Elementary
Nagmamatter
School.
yapon din niya din.
In year 1992. For his secondary education,
Alam na.
he graduated
1992?
in the year 1996. For his tertiary education, he took up AD Economics at Xavier University and graduated in the year
Xavier.
2002. He then proceeded to law school, also at Xavier University and
Law school?
graduated in the year 2004.
B Economics, Law School. Ikaw na, kumusta ka?
He was able to work with Cap General
After sa graduate,
Insurance,
hindi na kami school balik.
Pimsiculan Product
Hindi na ka master, mag-uwi na ka?
Regional Trial Court
Dito ang
at
Amerikano sa gawa.
Branch 1, and at present connected with the Comelec
Ano ako magpili sa
as
Canada?
Yeah, oh,
Officer 4 at Orquitas
Basta
City,
safe lang.
Samis Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, with a great pride and honor, a round of applause for Attorney Ruel B. Validor.
Di ba yun?
Kasi bayot to.
Attorney ba yun? Expression.
Oh,
Thank you very much, sir, for your
Validor.
gracious words. Please sit down. Dear graduates,
Mga si Validor.
Mas maminaw mo.
I want to dress particularly well this morning because it is easier for you to grasp. Sana
Ay, pag in-English siya, kasi ginasa kasabot siya.
naiabot ng tao. Really panghinambot. I want you to picture yourself like me. Because once upon a time, I was there like you. When we were after the graduation, we grew up on before I will go on, I would like to greet the special people in front of us. Our dear principal, Mr. Edgardo Ramos, good morning. Our district supervisor,
Edgardo Mr. Ramos, sa bala.
Our SDPA president, Mr. Rene Lawas, and representative of Alexander Pass, our barangay captain. And my classmate before here, Miss Gigi Eisen. And also I have my classmate, Ma'am Joanne, Nalipongets.
Si Labial, si Chat Adto.
And your coach in softball and baseball, Sir Isidro Croso. Kami nag-uba na nasa una. May I kindly request our parents also to please stand, or representative guardians, please stand to be recognized. Because as much as this is the day of the graduates, it is also your day. Graduates, please give a thunderous round of applause for your graduates. Anyway, you may now be seated. I would like to respectfully request also our educators, our teachers, to please stand. Joe, ito kaya. Ipagpakan ka. And again, graduates, please give them a round of applause. Because they are the ones responsible in molding a resilient educational foundation that you have. Ako rin ang isyongat at kong speech kita ko agad taas na kayo. At tulong na naman ang mga graduates. The theme, lastly, I would like to request everyone to give a round of applause for our dear graduates of 2022 and 23. Our theme molded through a resilient educational foundation. Pretty much related to my
Through a
own
resilient
personal
educational foundation. Ang
here, sa Tutuking said, I was once here. I graduated in this very school that you are studying. I was initially molded here in Consolacion Elementary School. Mababang paaral, pag-ako ng translation. Ang elementary, wala na, diba? Hindi, lari mo kayo paminahon, mababa, diba? Primary, dapat, or also may translation sa Tagalog, ang elementary, dapat hindi mababa because it will also affect us. Sa una, eskwela ka, saan ang eskwela? Sa mababang para there's something off, especially if you're around people na nagtuon sa private schools. At the outset, I was enrolled here because my late mother was a teacher here in Consolacion, a grade 2 teacher. Chico ito classroom, karena nada si Lolo. Mabalhin din ito. Yes. From grade 1 to 3, provisokan ang mama. Pagka grade 4, na-transfer ko Montessori. And then grade 5, from Montessori, balik na po ko din eh. Gininaw ko sa akong mga classmates.
yun lang.
Pero tinoon out of dito. Tinoon na, bili kayo anong A student. The lessons that I have learned in the school certainly form and equip me for all my future endeavors, like becoming a lawyer, as I am now. I could not particularly enumerate those, but one thing is for sure that I really enjoyed and treasured my experiences here in school. I have tons of fond memories in the school. I will tell you I'm not an A student despite what is being expected of a teacher's son. Really ko pride. I spent mostly in this playground. Sige lang ko nagandagan. I am very athletic, you could say. Ironically though, I was not a baseball player, as unexpected for a Consolacion boy, because hindi sumunod ako mama ko, delikado no, hindi pa nagisulat kasi ngayon sa gula, bakit ka sa mo?
Awa, oy. Kasi naka number 2, babae lalaki.
Ipag-picture ko, ito nga, sulong niya po pumas sa picture.
Ha? Sure ka? Oo.
Pero nasipa ko, dali, sipa.
Tama, nabino sila babae.
Regional meet.
Kami mo kunyang babae na nabiro sa
Rosso. Kanay niyang ko sa baseball, dili na siya baseball player sa una. Sipa na siya sa una. Diba sa sipa may anak. Pero, sorry ako may nadala ito sir. Ito si Sir Rosso. I think at that time, dili mo tayo ila sa sipa. Ako may una na nag-appeal sa regional weight. Sipa. May happy.
Si una ng sipa.
Rosso at Oswagan na may kusok ka na ilan. On a serious and kind note, we are here in Consolation either
Asa mga mama, nagpanguhaw na mga mga bata.
or you live near here.
Ano, nagpanguhaw na ba? Wala mo. Sana all the flower.
Because my mother is a teacher. For those of you who are here because this is the school that your economic capacity will allow, please do not be discouraged. As I have said, I studied Montessori in grade 4. Yung kumpanya na ako din sa grade 5, wala pa na honor di ako. Or I would say,
Lang parents.
Gani, pati parents gani. Ganina lang lagi.
Matingalan sila.
Ya, mga kuwan kayo, mga forma na kayo, mukarit lang doon.
MLG Marketing is also a graduate here in Consolacion. So there is so much potential for you. Sa Tagalog pa, ganyan talaga ang mundo. Mabiling tatanan, dato. Hindi tayo pantay-pantay. May pinanganak sa magulang na mayaman, pero may pinanganak sa magulang na mayaman.
Kamu mga libre.
You cannot choose your
Kamu
parents.
mga libre kay kamu
This is the mystery of life.
Amin niya.
You cannot alter.
Inyo balay?
When you're born poor
Inyo balay?
and you die poor, that is
Dumi sa inyong mga balay.
your fault. Sala na nimo. Kung tao kang pobre, and then mamatay ka mapobre, imo ng sala.
Yes.
Hindi na sala sa Ginoo. Ha? Muna ang paningkamot.
Tama.
Urik.
You could do something, your daily choices in life.
Yes.
And to me, a poor who becomes rich is so much sweeter than those who are born with it. So please try. Ayaw pag buhay-buhay sa gilid, kung pag-excuse na, pobre mag-admit, that is not an excuse. Your economic standing has nothing to do. Your life is a gift in itself, so use it wisely. As long as you are breathing, everything is possible under the sun. Would you agree with me, graduates?
Yes.
Yes, kasi kanina ako kung may pagkumusta, ha? Nagawin ko kasi kung may engineer, doctor, lawyer, dapat mo na yung mga
Engineer, doctor, lawyer. Wala teacher?
Teacher.
Wala. Binuang ni.
And by the way, as a
Amo ang mga libre. Ay, naku ako
As a lesson in life, when you shake a man's heart, when you shake a man's hand, shake it with a firm hand, right? Because as you go older, your daily transaction might be just with the shaking of hands, and it shows that you are committed to what you're saying. Be resilient, as this school strives you to be. Withstand amidst adversity. My journey in law school all the way to becoming a lawyer was never a walk in the park. Well, at the outset, being the youngest in the family, so my older siblings got to pitch in some of the school expenses. But when I got married while studying and had a family to support, that is where challenges came in. I started working while studying, and after I graduated, I took the bar. Not only once, I took it twice. So I failed twice. I will openly admit that. Because by paying twice, it gives you
Mga
more
scholar, alanganin.
leverage with other lawyers. Because I studied several
Dapat ito mga
times.
scholar na nag-review.
So you always have to be
Hindi ako sure
positive.
na mag-take karong.
Okay.
As I have said, hindi ko bright.
Kaya kung manghod mo lang
Pero grabe ko
mag-take
ka-ambisyoso.
engineering sa
Ambisyon yun. Na
Ako lang
sa
ay
inyo,
September ba?
gagakmay pa mo. That is how you always see things. Always see the bright side, not the dark ones. Watch out what is in your mind or head. As the saying goes, guard your thoughts, for your thoughts will become your words. Guard your words, for your words become your actions. Guard your
Ma'am,
actions,
sarang
for your
man sa ma'am.
actions
Kuya pa na ako
become
ma'am.
your
Libre sa
character.
Facebook.
And guard your
Yahay.
character, for your character become your destiny.
Hindi pang, oo,
Keep
nasa kayo
your thoughts
Kasi sa mga parents, ano eh.
good and decent. If it's negative, bad, and indecent, you will be also. So it starts from there. It always starts what's in your head. Keep it good, decent, and positive. So after I failed, I searched employment for my family, not two families. I put the temporary hold in my pursuit to be a lawyer. First, I got a job in Pepsi. Then I transferred to the regional trial court as court interpreter. So nagtrabaho ko sa court. As I thought, this job will bring me closer to my dream. So apart from dreaming, you have to strategize. Make it to the point that your day-to-day choices will bring you to your desired goal.
Yes.
My break came in when the whole of justice was heard. I don't know if you've heard, 7 years or 8 years ago, ang atong korte sa Cagayan, nasunog na. Although, at first I was sad because my personal belongings was burned, but when all the hearings are cancelled and work is suspended, hallelujah. So, I have time for my studies and readings. I no longer avail the government study leave, so I can resign and practice law. When I passed the bar exams and voila, I made it this time.
Wow.
The feel is so sweet. I wish everyone had the opportunity to experience it in his or her lifetime. Layo nga itong nakadaw ko kay
Ako ba, nakita gayilak, mamukot kay iyang gusto na kuman.
Nonsense.
long
Nadiri nga part.
Siya ang
pour
gusto
out
niya.
your sweat, blood, and tears.
Okay, sige. Uy, smile mo yun sa...
Greater reward in your heart.
Basin.
Feeling.
Kaso lang, mga mata sa person ba, pula kayo.
So please aspire
Daron
again.
pala na may ilak ng pagkanta nila.
In essence,
Ayaw,
what I'm
manganta ang
saying
bino.
is that
Ako po yung
strive
mga-
something to achieve in life.
Pero mag ako yung grad.
Go aim for the
Dito,
stars.
ihal din sila dito.
At least if you
Pag
fall,
wala ka lang.
Hindi ko man may ilak.
you'll land on the
Ilak
moon.
na.
Still high.
So raiso na tayo.
And as the wise priest had said, imagine the unimaginable
So, rice yung ginaw
for
na.
God to do the impossible.
Sus muna ako ng grade 6 pa
Studying
nila.
is
Yung
if
pa kayo nila
everything
mga hapon.
depends on your
Wala yun,
study.
Lahig pa ilang mga
But
daon.
pray
Tagaas
as
pang
if
mga langit.
everything depends
Taas pa nila latason.
Dagoy, video ba? Naon ba?
graduates.
Ano rin siya, kung baga, introduction pa lang ni.
Anything is possible.
Kung sa research paper pa yung introduction pa lang.
Huwag nakita na gumagawa na sila.
Sa mga tigwang na kahit ano.
Hindi ako ba? Noon ako na, nagurong-ganak sila. Kaya college pa.
Mga paong. Mukha yung kingin sila.
People said there,
Siguro 10 years from now, makalimutan mo na mo. Kaya mas malingaw naman siya ng life.
but a great artist can come from anywhere. So it doesn't matter whether you graduate in Consolacion or Xavier. If you strive long enough and hard enough, you will attain anything and everything.
Yes.
Once again, thank you and good morning.
Okay, manag.
I love you all.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too.
Love you all.
Palakpak ko eh.
Doon lang ha, mag-save kita. Good picture sa graduation. At least this is my after I graduated. Tuta. Hindi, ako lang sa mga.
Kulang sa hindi, sagat ko bang diri. Busy pa.
Oh. At least na-appeal ta.
Sorry, naman ay choreography.
Ang cute na ni Sir, maka-attend ng graduation sa elementary.
Oo. Oh, hubagan daw tiil. Kailangan man.
Ilabay naman yung kalo.
Okay, ang sama pagpalabay sa kalo. Dili anaw na ana mo. Sige, araon. Ipat-
Pagkanahan ka, pag ito na.
Tara, sugod na sila. Oo.
But yun,
Excited?
kahit alam mga persons. Pila sila kabukya?
100 daw. Gamay na lagi.
We are forever grateful for spending your time with us, Attorney Noel Vallador, sir. Thank you for this memorable event for our grade 6 graduates. Again, thank you so much, Attorney. And now to award the plaque of appreciation to our guest speaker. May I read the citation?
1 hour na kape no.
Plaque of appreciation is awarded to Attorney Noel Vallador, election officer for Aropieta City, for unconditionally sharing his valuable thoughts and precious time as guest speaker, which immeasurably inspired the batch 2023 graduates during the 76th graduation ceremony of Consolacion Elementary School, thereby contributing immensely the prestige and success of education. Given this 11th day of July in the year of our Lord, 2023 at Consolacion Elementary School,
Ay,
signed
ang
Edgardo
21, Sabado, recognition daw sa uban.
Ganyan, anak siya, ha? Sunday.
Nga, doon ako sa see you. Buntag hapon, pigi daw na.
Ha?
Buntag hapon.
Ano naman? Ay,
Bahinon daw.
ani ang uban niya ko sir. 23 man kakagya po na yun.
Wala.
Talitira kayo na.
Mamay kayo sa gwardiya, kaduha ginakaugna daw.
Thank you, Sir Vallador. As the night of passage,
Ala,
our
passage naman.
graduates will declare their pledge of loyalty to be led by Ray Iron Team Labsan with high honors. And this will be followed by the alumni oath with Jeffrey Isa, alumni president.
Ay, mag-oath-taking na sila. I, from Consolacion, graduate with an average... Oh.
Please raise your right hand and repeat
Nawa.
after me.
Nakatipara. Red eyes.
Ay, halda. Sir, ay,
We,
siya.
the graduates of Senior 2021,
The shades.
do hereby pledge to carry out the educational goals set by the Department of Education.
Nalipay, hindi man manili.
Yung ban yan eh.
And do the best way we can for the welfare
Pero tabi, busog kayo.
Yan. Appreciate sa nila po.
Sa kampon po. Hindi pala yung karon kay. Napa maging sa stage.
Upon Consolacion
Oh, no. Ikaw na, mapila ni mo?
Elementary.
Ang ato ah.
Ito ang hindi pa po.
more
Yan na, maghilak man din sa 5.
that provided us
Excited na kayo.
the basic skills for the
O, ako man lagi yung late look eh. Alas 3 pas kadlaw. Mata pa, huy. Tulog na. Ano, di ko katulog sir kay. Nausak ka.
teachers,
Di katulog eh. Relax.
officials, and countrymen. So help us God.
Ay, alumni na siya.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
State your name.
Later.
Having been graduated with an elementary school certificate,
With an elementary school certificate,
do solemnly swear
to solemnly swear
that I abide
that I abide
by the Constitution and bylaws
by the Constitution and bylaws
of Consolacion Elementary School Alumni Association,
of Consolacion Elementary School Alumni Association.
I promise to faithfully discharge
I promise to faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
my obligation as a member
my obligation as a member
of the association
of the association
with mental reservation
with mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Together we stand, divided as two. We are the promise.
Nga ni gidaya ba ang graduation kay taman ginalas lusi sa
Celebrating their achievements and
Gusto na ba dahil?
our birthdays will now present a lively rendition graduation song journey to be followed by singing of salamat and expressing their gratitude for the support and love of their parents, guardians, teachers, and school administrators.
Nag-guard siya?
And their farewell song,
Mother and
please
daughter.
help me welcome the class of 2023.
Saan ka pala sila ya di na? Di na.
Baro ko na sila. Nganta rin.
Gadiara na sila no.
Oo.
Umigay for the sanga gid mi sa stage.
Show na, di ba? Sakay dito, no? Dito din, malabong ko ka na.
Ani no sa gamay kay nan stage mga tagak silang tanan diya.
Ano lagi?
Dapat atubang sila diri.
Muhina ko niya ka. Maglisod sila.
Mga kita yung amahaginahan mo.
No.
Yung hilak man.
No, kumbaga, ang attachment ba, no? Kumbaga.
Bye guys. Thank you. Consolacion.
Oh, manigi. Last na gining visit.
So, pagay lang kantuhan na lang yung kanta.
Journey.
Uy, atubang sila dapat.
Yo, mag-hug din na kadayahin yan. Hug-hug.
Lahat na hindi nakakanta.
Oh my God, repeat yan isa. Asan gila ka?
Ang isa, nakako na walang
Tonight
malapit oh.
What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are up tonight, and they run to light my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I walk in the darkness in, what a journey it has been. Forward, always forward, onward, always on. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. And they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I walk in the darkness, see what a journey it has been.
Ay, nagkabigil lang mga mamaya. Nakon, hindi lang bigyan.
Ito lang yan. Pwede mo kakamaduli ito no? Mga picture na ito ba?
Hindi mo tag-parent.
Open o na siya. Nape, I will be here na.
Uy, ba din na iya?
Para sa parents mo na na.
Salamat daw eh.
Ay, salamat na.
Big parents pa. Yay! Manibaw daw malibo.
Ngunit pinanggaling, hindi na nawitin.
Nais kong lang ika'y makilala.
As a tribute to their beloved teachers and school administrators, to their parents,
Ay, no.
Alam ito.
Nawilang kita na yan. Grabe.
Hindi ko makapila na tayo.
plus the great Mercury and great Saturn parents and guardians.
Makakag, ano ko na? Picture time. Sige na. Ikaw dahil parents mo kanila. Haghag.
Ano mga parents?
Dala akong parents oh. Grabe ko duwag kaon. Isa lang dapat. Nagduwa na. Wala pa na yung hatay. Ang importante dati, duulan man tayo.
Yeah. Hindi na yun, na kay parents mo. Kung kuhan niya pa, nalimot na. Ano na ng mga parents sa'yo, salamat manas, gitigla, another bayro na po high school.
Yeah. Taminit ko yung kayo sa muktok sa itihay pa sila. Dahil doon. Nangilak na ko ba no?
Surprise! Ikaw sila mabutan niya sa Mamatay ko kayo na siya normal.
Thank you, dear parents and guardians,
Kaya mo.
for the genuine love, support, and care for your children.
Nag-cry-cry ba sila isa? Sila nandun, nag-cry-cry stage. Ma'am, don't
Malayo
cry.
sa'yo pag hindi kayo para feel na feel.
Don't cry out loud.
Again,
Huwag yung
thank
minumagpag
you, dear parents and guardians, for your genuine love, support,
Asa na mga panlabi nga tuwa, kalo, wala man
and
nagkita mo.
grace given us.
Sit down.
Ako ba ni uli na?
Again, thank you, graduates.
Sit down sa
Every great endeavor is the result of many hands.
Morning nga moment, wala na ko ni
Let's fill in our SPTA President,
Sa grade six
Mr.
na.
Randy N. Lawas, to formally close
Ano, wala?
this ceremony.
Wala yung parent. Try ka, mag-attend.
Mana nga, basta na yung mga inanin, pili na ko. Amot lang, karong college. Basta, something with something. Nag-cry-cry, wala pa kayo sila. Yes, good morning.
Wala rin maminaw.
Wala na.
Nadupol na mga parents.
Dapat, saan?
Nabuyag yung bata yung gatitis. Sinawusok ko niya. Gatitis siya na.
Namin syndrome.
Gatitis siya buyag.
Kasi color ako ng syndrome.
Ako.
Pati parents maghilak kung ihag nila lang mga anak karon. Pagabot sa balay, pambunalan, gihapon kini masubo.
Sig lahat.
Simula ako.
Tita. Tita.
We're going to have all the teachers,
Pictorial.
please come on stage kay mag-picture taking sa talihan sa ubos. Calling all the teachers to please
Oh, ikaw
come
pa, all the
and
teachers.
mag-picture taking sa ka.
Picture taking ang mga person.
Tindog lang, tindog lang. Calling all the teachers to please. Okay. Ako kinsa lang po available dyan. Halika mo mga moms and sirs.
Mga ma'am and
Mag-picture taking sa together with our special dignitaries.
Naradaya ang mga
Nakatago na tayo, nagkaon. Ganyan na ako tayo sa likod. Nagkaon na. Mobile ko sa kantin. Doon rin ito yung mga kwan.
Hindi ka maulog. Tita!
Ba? Yung estudyante. Wala yun. Layo na kayo. Kanta sa mo. 1 and 30 minutes. Sayaw.
Uy, kayo ay
Sayaw.
yes na ka.
Sayaw na, sige na. Sayaw eh. Sig, sig, sig.
Uy, nagsayaw siya.
Sig, sig, sig. Sige na, sayaw. Leon. Sige na. Oh. Tud.
Beauty.
Tanaw sa ako ba? Kasama na karon. Nakasama lang ko.
Uy, very
Sayaw din siya. Sila na ilan natin. Dong. Hindi mo sayaw mo.
Sayaw dyan.
Cig, 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 cig. Oh, di ba?
Cute kayo. Uy, masayaw. Ganda do.
Mawito ng elementary ko kay hilikay yung bata. Cig, cig, cig. Ba na. Una pa is. Mula ka naman ni siya, di ba? Itong miyari adlaw.
Uy, pag sure.
Na kaya itong miyari bulan. Mula ka na ni. Nakita paligid. Yan ang anak pa niyo. Tapos di palakaw na yun. Oh. Dos naman daw na. Oh. Oh, di ba? Maglakad ba yung hando ah? Uy, kailan ko na ka?
Bro, away ni graduate, boy.
No, oy, kasi hindi na ka sa graduate ah. Makan mo kod niya, imo pa rin gamot na natin makunman. Mura man imo pa nang kanon ba?
Kanan na lang siguro ngayon.
Oh, mura.
Ang kakapoy, ang mga pilar, ganer.
Ang pagbalik-balik sa eskwelahan.
Ay, din lang mo ilang.
They call the grade 6 Mercury
Ala.
for the picture taking.
O, picture na rin to, sir.
Hoy, wala ka picture.
It's a stage, sir.
Yun naman yung isa dyan. Ako, mamil ko.
On your position.
Kau, tulog ka.
Sibir, mapicture na sa ila.
Sawa na kayo, may film sawa na.
Yeah, mapicture na sa ila.
Ay, tap.
Nakraya mga person.
Laka, ito ka. Pwede ka masunod. Laka na. Ayan na. Mas guwapo mo. Mga guwapo kayo ba kayo? Mga Uy. Ay, wala na ka-video. Pang-video na ako na sila. Ihati na sila. Di ka sumap? Di ka kasama mo?
Grade 6 Mercury photo up together with our dignitaries.
Uy, nababae na kayo kakaroon.
Yung babae mo, lalaki na po nakalit, sir.
Yes. Oy, di na mag-smile up. Oh. Napot. Nakatulog pa ka?
Thank you, grade 6 Mercury. Now let us have the grade 6 Venus.
Sila na mga master na. Sure sila. Guwapa naman ko din magbabae yung bihanan eh. Oh, wait lang. Sila daw. Oh, balik. Good. Hindi kayo, wait lang. Tulong ang gwapo. Liza! Ma'am Lisa? Nanganak na? Siya anak, bahay, laki. Laki. Laki? Yeah, kaya ko sa picture ako mga kagwang.
Hi, sir! Alam ka lang. Sir, alasan na si sir. Ano na
Okay. Thank you, grade 6 fellows. Let's go to
Lak, ka muna. Lak!
Wait, sir!
So graduate, tigit mo.
Yes!
Nga, ready na mo grade 7.
on your
Wow!
positions. Grade 6 earn.
Balik ka, sir. Balik ka.
Tapi na, exist. Tumba kayo mga bali-bali, oh. Yan na, balik ako. So ready na mo grade 7 yun, sure na mo. Upper, babae mo na. Sir. Ha? Undang na grade 7. Ama, wapay ka masugod, undang na ka. So manghilak, lugar mo.
Thank you. Grade 6 earn. Let's move on to grade 6 Jupiter.
Wala, mga Jupiter na. Yoho!
Very strong.
O sige, oo. Masako yun. Ba, 1, 2, 3, smile, waminal. Uy, waminal, na babae lang karon. Di ba, lalaki kaya itong mga minaking bulan, no?
Grade 6 Jupiter. Position again.
Inay, lalaki. Chill. Wala. Graduate na siya. Tagpila na ako. Pero nice, nice. Very beautiful. Nice. So mag-cry na mo.
Thank you. Ayaw Asarte, grade 6 Saturn.
Yay! Sila na! Sila na! Good job! Good job everyone!
Your position.
Picturean mo ko naman sa malipay pa ka, sir.
Picture naman eh, oo. Smile! Oh no, the stress! Gina, sa pag-yod, sige! Lalain? Fans, video grab.
Video ni sir.
Hello! 1, 2, 3. Usa mo! Ay, pagtabunin na ako kaya gwapo harap. Ito, tanong sa iyong mama. Ikaw, kung kay plano mo malipay si mong kulingon, pagkalipay. Good. Hello! Tapunan kita na ako. Gina. Uy, gwapa kaya ka ng style mo. Di na ka maging lalaki ah.
Thank you, grade 6 Robert. Now, may I call in Mrs. Odera